And I'm not talking about mic technology. Let's grow up. It's not mic, it's not cell phone. You understand what I'm talking about? I'm talking about HR technology. It is the HR which will do the KKDS. Karke dikhav sala.
When you look at the matrimonial sites today, faceless, right? But what are you really trying to do? You're getting, again, people and people together.
HR existed without technology and functioned very well.
Anand, yes, HR existed without technology. And I suspect HR is the only function which is continuing to do so. The rest of the people have moved on.